let's start here in overhand, and let's do an overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave, open up the underhand weave, come into the underhand cap, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now turn to the right, come over the top, 360 to the right hand side, 180 to the other side, overhand cap, 3 and 4. And now at the top, turn left back to the underhand cap, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now over the top to the overhand cap, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now turn to the left to the underhand cap, and then we're going to turn to the right into the 4-pedal anti-spin. This next time coming down, go right to the bottom, then right, then up and left, and around. Now we're going to turn to the right and come into the overhand cap. And then as we come around, we're going to turn to the left, going up from the middle position in the cap to the 4-pedal. So not this one, but this next one. Here we go, up and left, around. And now as we come from the top, turn left, come down into the overhand cap and underhand weave. And turn right to clockwise pinwheel. Make it big for 3, 2, 1. And now spin all the way around 360, turning left. Back to the pinwheel. Go big 3 times. 2, 1. And now we're going to do that 360 turn again to the left. And then 3 more big. 2, 3. And now turn left 360. And last time in the series, 3, 2, 1, turn left 360. And now going to together time pinwheel, turn to the right to the overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, step your right foot forward, turn left to overhand weave. So step your right foot forward, now do a 360 turning left in the weave. Turn, step right, and then turn, put your right foot forward, and you turn, step your right foot forward, and then turn back and overhand. And now open it up, chase the sun clockwise, and then come down on the right and overhand, spread your legs, double stall between your legs, bring your point up into counterclockwise, chasing the sun, and come up to counterclockwise pinwheel, down to overhand weave, up to counterclockwise pinwheel, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to pinwheel, go big for 3 and 2 and 1, and then we're going to turn 360 to the right, go all the way around, come back to the front and big for 3 and 2 and 1, and then right turn again, doing another 360 and 3 big, 2 more, last one, and we're going to turn right 360, and then last set, 3 big, 2, 1, and right turn all the way around, coming into turn left into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, open it up, stall your left poi back, turn right to overhand butterfly, thread the needle, do right up, right out, left out, right up, left up, right out, left out. Right turn 360, the butterfly, turn around, coming all the way around, back to overhand butterfly, then left turn 360, all the way around, coming back to overhand butterfly, thread the needle, clean shift the thread the needle up, over the head, get it flat, get it flat, get it flat, take your left poi, come down, tap your butt, turn to the right in clockwise corkscrew, and then clean shift the corkscrew up to the pinwheel, tap your right poi on your right leg, change direction to overhand butterfly. We'll do that again, clean shift it up, come over the head, take your left poi, tap it on your butt, come into clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right.